Let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
What's up? Oh! Yeah! Day 2. Bit of a late start today. Day 1 was a success. Maddie and I landed our first marlin. So that was pretty epic. So we drank a lot yesterday and celebrated like we should. And Maddie's just punching in a few extra marks. We're going to chase a bit more bottom today. So come along and see how we go. Wind's supposed to come up about lunch, so we'll head back in. Might be early, we'll see how we go. See how we go. Day 2. Plan is to just trawl down the coast to a few marks, hook up a wahoo, mackie or something on the edge of the inner reef and do a bit of jigging.
Staring to the sun, moments holding on, and we hold our breath, close enough to burn, but I never learn. Try to make it last. Could it be different? Could it be different?
First up, trawl.
Drag.
What?
Oh, that drag's so tight though. That marlin.
Oh, you put divers out now.
Yeah, we're going parallel. We go to the left a little bit.
Yeah, I'm just going slowish. Put one a bit longer and one a little bit shorter.
Yeah.
So like,
Cut this out about a bit.
like 3 different lengths.
Yeah, right. Those hooks are deadly, eh?
Oh, they're so sharp. BKK.
BKK ain't nothing to fuck with.
That will pierce your skin straight to the bone.
To the bone, your foreskin.
You're keeping this shit raw.
Jessica there.
Keeping this shit raw since 1994. Oh my god, it's a baby fucking whale! No run there. Just pulling up on the mark. Just gonna sound around, try to find the fish. I'm going the albino.
Oh,
Look at it, it's sick. Look at the colours of it.
got a little offie on there.
Actually, I gotta drop the bottom meat down first. How rugged does it look?
Well, there we go. There's a fish down there. hit.
Yeah, on the bait straight away.
Yeah, we got up and sounder. Got this good. That's bites. Oh, yeah! Oh!
Yeah, it's got to just hook up, man.
No, the whale.
Ah!
You probably got that on your bust out of the water. Well done.
A slow start. I know what I need. I need another beer.
Oh,
Oh, he's on!
you hit it before. I knew there was a fish down there. Oh.
That looks good too, Matt.
Yep, it's good. I'm flying hard, like wobbling.
Oh, it's big head shakes.
Yep.
Big head shake.
Oh,
Oh! What, shark? Pull up,
Coming.
one up, one up, one up.
something. My leader could be all that shit down to see on the top.
Wouldn't have been your knot.
Nah. Nah, that was good listen to abrasion somewhere. Nah, look, it's all like, it's gone all rough.
Oh, maybe he just got sharked. Could be Mackie's, bro.
Oh, I'm sounding there, boy! That got hit hard, man. I felt it. It's happening. Oh, sounder, sounder.
Bro, damn.
Let's go.
Yeah, that was a good hookup, man. I reckon that was a good fish.
Oh, down. Yes, come on.
Big bait school, eh?
Oh, don't know. Big fish next to it. Look at that arch. Oh, that's a blob.
Oh,
That is a blob and a half, that.
that's what we're just dropping down onto now. Hopefully gonna hook up.
You get reds in this week?
Yeah, probably another one of those. I never know.
Oh,
Another red throat.
cheers, Rose!
Cheers, Rodney!
Bloody beauty! Feel a bit better?
Oh yeah, it's pulling drag, bro.
Go, let's go.
Just gotta get it up after tax.
Pay that taxi. Another thing is these areas are weight in the drop off. Better. Bad. Hey!
Oh, Robbo!
Robbo! I got that.
Wait.
Beautiful!
Yep, finally got one.
Hey! Good
Yes,
shit! Woo!
that's a Robinson Sea Bream.
Yeah, good chewing?
Yeah,
Beautiful.
one of the best.
Yeah? Good colours.
That's why they named it after us.
Lovely! On the bottom, mate?
Yep,
Beautiful.
little Robinson Sea Bream.
Yeah, nice
Smoked
size.
it in the rod holder while I was jigging. We'll take it any day though,
Lovely.
because these are beautiful.
It's a keeper. Slow start, it's a keeper, but
Yeah.
awesome. A bit Ikejime.
Oh, straight in.
Perfect. Lovely. Dispatched.
Straight in, mate. That's what she said. Export!
Singlet.
Battle axe! Rankin!
Fish on deck. Let's go. Yeah?
Oh, I think I missed it, bro.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes. Go. Let's.
That feels pretty good.
Whoop.
That feels good fish. Oh, can you move this? Oh no, that's alright. The jigs around there.
Spango?
Yeah, little spango.
Quite hard, eh?
Little mini spango. That isn't showered up yet. I'll just get the bottom meat down there anyway.
Yeah.
Let me know when it lights up. I'll get serious with the jig.
Yeah.
Change colour. You're gonna use this one next. You still got a friggin' lure on board.
Yeah. On this. Yeah, I want to drop that down into bait when I set the bait ball. That drops real quick, I think.
Oh yeah.
Just try and rip it through the middle of it.
Yep.
Oh, yes. Yes.
It's not big. Oh. How's on bait? I can say any little fish. Might be more bait.
Let's eat it as just a fish. Good boy.
Little red throat emperor.
Yeah, look at that. There's that bait. Might just chuck it in here.
You're on. On the lure?
On the yeah. I'll have to move your line, bro.
Oh shit, under, over.
Not big, but it's something. Something of that bait's cool.
Oh, good bait. Here, just gaff it so I don't go nuts.
Hey, Becky?
Put it over there, yeah.
Yeah!
It's pulling. Keep going, it might have a shark on its tail. Oh, it's a good fish. Gotta get it up 100. Come on, be a good fish, man. Yeah? Good red
Finally!
fish. Yes! Broke the
Hey.
Hold him up. Yeah, bro.
Took a while. Vex.
Yeah, bro. Hold him
The
straight.
Vexies.
Hold him straight. Smile.
Hey.
Yes!
Come on, brother. Good drag. This is more like an Arvo sesh. Get them up, get them up. got it. Oh! Yes! You got it!
Get the gun!
Yeah, let's get it!
I'll grab it by the gills.
That's right.
Get in
Yes!
Yes!
Woo! Yeah! That's a big fish! Hey!
Yeah!
Oh!
Yes!
Woo! What's this on? Hey, Vex.
Ikachu.
Ikachu.
Oh,
dude.
250 grammer.
He's gassed. He's gassed.
Yeah.
Oh,
100
oh, dude. What's going on here? Sharp.
That could have been a red, bro.
Oh, not the way that was run, I think. Alright.
Oh, that's a big fish.
Yoo-hoo! You have been slaying it today, mate. Hey. Oh, what a fish! That's the money shot on the Vex. Yeah, what a fish!
Yeah, boy. On the
Yeah, you
Ikachu.
pumped?
Ikachu digging 100 metres, 250 grammer, eh?
She done good. She done bloody good. It hit it.
Oh, hit it like a freight train.
Well done, buddy.
So stoked. Hold up, keep it running.
You gonna spike him?
Keep it running there.
Get a little bit of an icky. Oh, he's going up and down. Woohoo! Well, the horse. What a fish. Treat him right. Straight in. Beautiful, mate.
Yeah, boy!
Hey, hook two.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh! This is big. Oh!
Can't hold it.
Oh, they can hold it. Get that GoPro shot.
Yeah, we're on boat.
This is a big fish. Oh, whip. Oh.
Keep begging.
I'm trying. Oh, that's off. I'm pissed off, man.
Lost it?
I just lost off. When that drag was locked, man.
Well, you tightened it too
Oh,
much.
that drag was dark. It was still pulling.
You only had 50 pounds. Get ready to get the gas.
Where's it?
Come down, buddy. The amberjack. Get in here.
Oh!
Oh,
I think that's all I had.
yeah.
That's what I think I had.
Yeah. There was a shark on, there was a shark on
Yeah, I seen that. Chuck him out, let him eat it. Fuck off.
I'll hold it up.
Woohoo! There's a light down there.
Check this out.
Big amberjack.
Damn, I thought it was a red.
Yeah, big. That's way heavier than your red. I'm pretty sure that's what I've hooked though.
Nah, I felt like the red was the same weight. They go hard, eh?
Yeah. Send him back.
Yeah,
Send
boy.
him back. Yeah. Woo. How you got, mate?
You.
Hey, you fucking. Woo. Big amberjack, bro. That's like fucking 15 kilo. 16 kilo easy.
Went hard. I thought it was a red too, I was giving it everything.
Hey, double hook up. I was like, yes, we're both gonna get a red. Oh. Oh, fuck! Oh, God. Fuck! I'm gonna tune it.
I'm not pulling up too hard. I'm going to decent.
Oh. Fucking sharks. We might have to fucking abandon this or something until we're just gonna get loose and shit.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Lord just behind me. Oh, over there, get the airborne. Right there.
Yeah, go. There? Yeah. This is fucking wild, bro.
Watch out for me. Let me go, get it?
Oh.
Go, go.
I'll get one more. Wow. Yeah, we're still right on it. Fucking shark. That spot's fucking loaded, bro. I reckon that's pretty close to where you had another mark, eh? You said you had one on this reef, eh?
Yeah. On the bottom. Yes, go. You might be able to fucking tighten that up. That's heavy drag. Yeah, like big head shakes, like massive. This was it pulling down so hard? Yeah. Yeah, Matty. Come on, Matty. How you feeling here? Feeling like a good fish?
Yeah, I'm still burning from yesterday. It's a good fish.
Marlin Matty. Oh. Tell me neutral it?
Or whatever. That's pretty good.
Sure?
Yeah. Colour. What's that? Oh, hey, consolation prize. Wow, wow, wow. Woo!
Apparently not bad sashimi, but
Oh, there's a few down there.
you. Yeah. Yeah.
Back around?
Go again.
Yeah, bro. Regular road.
That was full tuna there, eh?
Yeah. They'll probably hit with the fucking shotgun. Pinky, I reckon. What was it?
I know, it's getting there, bro. Could be a Mackie, could be something. Yeah, let's get around here.
They pointed this way, didn't they?
Yeah.
Doesn't need wide place on it.
That's alright, it's got wire on the rig. He rigged them up with wire.
Now I can feel it.
Yeah, he rigged it up with wire, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Man, it was getting some serious air, eh?
Yeah. Oh, no, I think it's right. I thought I had heaps more braid out. It's coming. Woohoo! It was alright. It's not huge. Ooh, maybe.
It went pretty hard at the start, though.
Probably get pissed off in a second. There we go. I'm gonna swim in front of the boat, is it?
Ollie, bro!
Woo!
That's why I was getting there. Yes.
Oh!
Hey!
Yay!
Hey!
Richter! Woohoo!
Yes, man.
Oh, gaff shot from hell! Woohoo!
Yeah, Matty!
Woohoo!
Yeah, bro.
Dolly in what, 20 meters?
19 metre dolly.
Hey, Richter.
Well
Not
done.
bad.
Yeah, boy.
Mahi steaks for dinner. Beautiful
Mahi,
green.
mahi.
Look at the green on it. Look at that. Look
Oh.
at the coloration. Beautiful.
Yeah, awesome.
Fantastic.
You don't even have to go that far.
Nah. Work already. 2 days in. Woo. Boy, that icky pick.
Yeah, boy. So good. Yeah. It's chaos again.
Matt. Packed up yet? Where's the beer?
You.
The day.
The red saved the day.
Red saved the day. Beautiful fish.
And the dolly made the day.
Yep, Dwayne's doing a good filling job. Look at that. Hey, where would you rather be? Paradise. Fishing Mecca, Point Billy. Whew.
Not bad, red,
That
eh?
way because you got the sun. Yeah, that's good. Oh.